Now it's time to start shading it. Imagine where the light source is, and it doesn't really matter, just for the ease and consistency. I'm going to have mine coming in from the upper right. Again, you don't have to draw that arrow in, it's just for to help you guys remind yourselves. But as I'm coming along here, I'm going to shade what I know needs to be in shadow. I do know this part needs to be in shadow. And if I happen to go slightly out of the lines, I'm not too worried. It doesn't drive me up the wall too much. I'd far sooner have it be over the line than to stop it too early. So I know this is going to be a shadow. Curved lines can give people a little bit of grief. They don't know where to start or stop. Almost imagine it like a curved line here. And often when we see something here, we'll have a light source and the shadow. So they're sort of opposite to each other here. So along here, my curve, my light's going to come in here. So I know that's going to be in highlight. This is going to be in the low light, in shadow. And as I come around, it's going to catch the light that's come in. So the same thing I have on the bottom here, it's going to come on up. And as it gets higher and higher, the light's going to finally catch it. So it actually transitions. And usually around the same spot. A good ballpark idea. And whenever you're done to the top, try to repeat it on the bottom half. As I'm going up, I'm just easing off the pressure. It's always easier to go back and make something darker. It's very hard to make something lighter. If I want to make these edges sharper, I can actually go through here and very carefully make that edge just has a slightly higher contrast. If I got a bigger difference, it'll make that edge seem just a little bit sharper. Like the stone or whatever it is it's made out of. That just much more severe, that edge. And that is a basic letter B.